Heavy rain causes wide damage in North Japan. As you can see, the heavy rain caused a wide variety of damage in Yamagata Prefecture.
Town officials say the collapse damaged water pipes connected to the bridge, leaving hundreds of households without water. They say emergency water supplies can't reach some residents because many roads are flooded.
Telecom company NTT East says landline phone service was down in some areas in the town. The company believes the heavy rain brought down telephone lines.
Oh, you take a look. That's so dangerous. As you can see, muddy rainwater flowing like a river across a road.
It has received reports of landslides and fallen trees blocking roads. A hill behind a house has collapsed. Officials say its residents evacuated.
Local fire officials say multiple buildings in the town were reported to be flooded. They also say people were stranded in their homes, and they were trying to rescue them.
Houses and roads were flooded in other parts of Yamagata, and also in Aomori, Niigata and Akita prefectures.
Let's check it out.
Heavy downpours in northeastern Japan's Aomori and Akita prefectures. Weather officials say the risks of life-threatening landslides and floods are rapidly rising.
Officials say rainfall is intensifying. They confirmed the formation of bands of active rain clouds.
A radar analysis indicates that about 110 millimeters of rain fell in the hour.
That's horrible.
We are now in Akita. The situation is as same as Aomori.
Don't forget Niigata. Niigata is experiencing its heaviest rainfall in decades. It's highly likely serious disasters such as flooding and landslides have already occurred. Weather officials say more rainfall is expected in some parts of northern and central Japan.
We have to be careful.